We are making okra soup. Yeah, this is the best okra soup you will see on YouTube today. Trust me. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that we understand all the process this soup go through before coming to reality. Yes, what makes the soup is the ingredients you use. And note, if this is your first time to see this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright, you have seen the way we are washing our meat. Before washing your meat, as you can see earlier, I use salt to kill some germs because the meat has been exposed for a long time before you purchasing it. So when washing your meat, do well to use salt. After washing the first one, throw the water away and put the second water to rinse the meat proper. Remember, health is wealth. Okay, now we are putting the meat in the pot. Let me know what you think on comment section after watching this particular video, and trust me, this video will help you go a long way. And don't forget to share to reach other people. So what do you think? As we proceed, we are washing our kanda. Some people call it pomo. Some people also know it as a cow skin. Alright, so anyone you understand. When you buy your kanda, make sure you wash it proper to avoid eating sound. You see the way I'm washing it? If possible, use hot water to soak for some seconds because the pomo has been exposed also, so that it will kill some germs. After washing, do well to do proper rinsing, alright, before cutting. And don't forget, we soak our fish. That fish is called mangala fish. I don't know the name you call it in your own area, or the name I will mention that you understand, which we soak with hot water to soften it and to clean it very well. Now this is the fish. If you remember, I poured hot water earlier. Now I'm putting cold water to dilute it to avoid burning my hand. Now I still touch it. I can't wash it that place because it's very hot. What I did was to remove it from there, put in another bowl and pour cold water. So do well to do same to avoid story that touches. Now you pour your cold water, because after pouring your hot water, it will help you to wash the fish thoroughly, avoid sound and other things that may be involved. Alright, make sure you use your knife and scrape very well. This dry fish, as I said, is called mangala fish. I don't know what I think. This fish is very, very yummy. When eating this fish, it will look as if you are eating meat, but the fish is like stockfish. It's very interesting. Alright, wash thoroughly. After washing, do well to add to your beef, kanda and any other thing and cook for some minutes. As you can see, we are adding together with the beef and the cow skin to make sure we cook till it's softened. Now, as I always tell you, the way you spice your meat determines the future of the meal you are making. Foundation of everything is very, very important. I'm not using more spices on this. I put onions, season cube, salt, and my fresh pepper. I'm not adding any other ingredient. Alright, because when cooking soup does not require much ingredients in steaming your meat, your fish, and so on and so forth. Yes, you can also do it to also add stockfish. Right, after slicing our okra, now we check the meat after cooking for some minutes. All right, Now cook for almost 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Now we check, and remember, we do not add water when steaming this beef and other things. When adding water, make sure that the beef have produced its own water and take it back to enable the meat to have good taste. When it's done, try to remove in another bowl or plate, anyone of your choice. Now the main process of the cooking began. You put your oil, palm oil, red oil, depending one you understand most, right? Fry in low heat. Don't bleach your oil. Then you put your meat stock, put the fish and the cow skin. Then fry for some seconds, right? Fry for some seconds. Cook everything together. After you fry the oil, then you add another pepper to adjust. Now, if you want this I'm cooking now, I will not add another season cube. I'm not adding another salt. Why? Because cooking my own food, I don't allow much water to be on my soup. I don't eat watery soup. I don't know about you. Yes, I'm adding my crayfish already. As you see, the process is going. You cook for a minute, 2 minutes. You check back. After that, you have a sliced okra already. In case if you want your okra to be more slimy, do well to pan in a mortar or blender, crush till you will not see the seed again. A little, alright? If you want to be more slimy, but I'm not doing that here because I don't want it that way. I don't want my okra to be crunchy, right? So if you are watching this to the extent, what do you think? Drop a beautiful comment. Do well to subscribe and also share this video to reach more audience. What do you think about this? As I always said, I don't eat watery soup. You can do well to add water when making your own soup. If you are going to do this, let me know on comment section, and don't forget to share a picture of your own okra soup after cooking it. Now food is ready. Serve hot. Let me know what you think on comment section. Thank you for watching.